This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the radiator on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool. Gather all necessary tools, including a 10mm socket, 13mm wrench, and a drain pan. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical mishaps. Next, locate the radiator drain plug, typically on the passenger side bottom, and carefully drain the old coolant into a suitable container. This step is crucial for a clean and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old radiator. Begin by taking off the engine cover and any air intake components that obstruct your view. Use pliers to release the clamps and disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Next, unplug the electrical connector for the cooling fan. Unbolt the fan shroud and carefully remove the entire fan assembly. Finally, remove the remaining mounting bolts and brackets holding the radiator in place. With a little care, you can now lift the old radiator out. With the old radiator out, it's time to install your new one. Carefully lower the new radiator into its position in the engine bay, ensuring it seats correctly on its lower mounts. Reattach all the mounting bolts and brackets, tightening them to factory specifications. Next, reinstall the cooling fan assembly and securely reconnect its electrical plug. Attach the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure the clamps are tight. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is firmly in place. The final steps involve refilling and bleeding your cooling system. Pour the correct type and amount of new coolant into the radiator. Locate the bleeder screw, often on the thermostat housing, and open it to release trapped air until a steady stream of coolant emerges. Close the screw, then run the engine to operating temperature, keeping an eye on the temperature gauge. After the engine cools, check for any leaks and top off the coolant if needed. A short test drive will confirm your successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.